Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a rotation. We're going to rotate the figure 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. So here's what we're going to start with. You've been given a piece of this special paper. You notice I've already got some things on it, but I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. We're going to place this paper over the XY coordinate plane. You can go ahead and draw the X and Y axes if you'd like. I just put a dot where the origin is. And once I have my dot, then you can see that I traced the image that I was going to be rotating. So as I move my paper away, or as I show you my paper, you can see that it's there. It's the letter A. It could be a triangle, it could be a point, it could be a quadrilateral. It doesn't matter. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take your patty paper, put your dot on the origin, take your writing utensil and hold the patty paper down with that at the origin. And so it did say a 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. So 90 degrees means 1/4 of a turn. So the top part of my patty paper up here is going to come over here to the side as I'm going clockwise. So I'm going to take the corner of the patty paper and I am going to turn it one turn 90 degrees. And as you can see, my shape has now been rotated, and it's rotated 90 degrees around the origin because that was my pivot point. And so what I can do now is I can sketch where those lines are going to be, and I can see that. And I can continue to sketch the rotation. And as you can see, there is my letter A. Very faint, but it's there. And I could continue to rotate if I wanted to around the origin again, okay? And so you could darken those in, and you can see that that is the rotated figure. And so that's what you can do with your patty paper. If the point of rotation is not the origin, you'll just take your patty paper, mark the point that is going to be the rotation, trace your shape, and then rotate it however many degrees around this. Remember, each time you switch the top is 90 degrees because we have a square. And so this patty paper is going to become in very handy. You'll notice that you can erase carefully on the patty paper and continue to use it, okay? And so we will use this patty paper. Some of you may not need it, and I will be around to help you as we do some rotations of our figures.